Welcome to the instructor video of the Colliding Carts Lab. This lab can be found on the AP Physics 1 Momentum webpage at www.njctl.org. The following slide is an overview of general inelastic and perfectly inelastic collisions. Students should have this written down in their notes from the Smart Notebook. The following slide is an overview of elastic collision. Students should have this written down in their notes from the Smart Notebook. The following slide is a chart describing the conclusions each student should make in their lab report. Students should complete each collision by, for perfectly inelastic collisions, Velcro on both carts and have one cart at rest and the other cart traveling at a constant velocity. For general inelastic collision, stoppers out on both carts and have one cart at rest and the other cart traveling at a constant velocity. And for elastic collisions, stoppers out on both carts but have carts traveling toward each other at a constant velocity. This is the most important slide of the presentation. Please use this slide as a grading rubric for the students' lab reports. After the reports are graded, review the slide with the students. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the New Jersey Center for Teaching and Learning. Have a great day.